All right, all right, all right. We in this back at 50/50 official, staying updated with the latest news on Ripple. We got some breaking news. Ripple is set to explode. We'll get into that in a couple minutes. I'm gonna try to make this video short, because we all know we're all busy, day trading and getting a lot of money off this cryptocurrency and all becoming rich. But basically some quick, fast facts on Ripple for those who don't know. Ripple XRP, for its market, its total XRP is about 99 billion, almost 100 billion. It's getting huge. It's crazy. It's popping off. To the right a little bit, this is kind of cool. This information is just on the Ripple site. So for the source, it's just the straight up Ripple site. But this graph to the right says all the market shares for all the marketplaces that's trading Ripple. Currently, right now, I use Bitstamp. I think Bitstamp is pretty good. I've heard good things about Bittrex, but please feel free to comment in the comment section about your favorite marketplace to share, or maybe just some information on it, maybe some problems or something, just to give a heads up to all the other viewers. But that's kind of cool right there. Some of those I'll have to check out and maybe do another video on. But that's just some quick facts about Ripple. We can check its current price right here. So the current price is around 24 cents. So still pretty low, but you know, it is set to explode. Let's just look at how it's been in the past. So it started popping off in April. So it's been pretty new to the scene within the past year. But you know, it jumped up real quick from basically nothing to virtually around 30 cents in a short time span. So my projections is that it's gonna jump anytime soon now, maybe within the next couple months, probably to $1. And then once it's at $1, it'll probably stay at $1 for a little bit, maybe 6 months, maybe even to a year, and then it'll pop off to maybe $5 and beyond that. Its 5-year projection looks very good, very promising. You know, Ripple is faster and cheaper than Bitcoin, so it's got the goods, and you know, everyone's talking about it and saying, you know, what it could be and the price that you can get it at right now. You can get a lot of shares, and that means a lot of money long term. But let's go to the blog article that, you know, reported that Ripple is set to explode. So this was the article that reported that Ripple XRP is set to soar. When it reported on September 29, 2017. This is by NASDAQ. So NASDAQ, king of the stocks, is reporting on cryptocurrency and the lowly Ripple that no one is talking about, only the early adopters like us. But when it reported on September 29, 2017, they reported at 20 cents, and they say it's set to soar by December 2018, which is great. So a little bit into the article, investors have earned near unbelievable returns from the leading cryptocurrency names over the last 24 months. Insane volatility combined with massive future potential has attracted both short-term traders and long-term investors to the fray. If we scroll down, you know, they say it's a technology set to change the world. I don't make this stuff up, people. You know, I get this is NASDAQ, pretty reliable, and you know, you wouldn't think they would be posting about blockchain and, you know, just mainly into stocks. But you know, even they're raving about Ripple. Keep scrolling down. XRP, this is the main section. We want XRP is set to soar by December 18. So this section says XRP traded under the symbol XRP is a real-time gross settlement money exchange and remittance network built on blockchain, widely recognized as the fastest and most scalable digital asset, enabling global payments. Ripple has taken the banking world by storm. Speed, scalability set Ripple apart from the other blockchains. Payments that take days with traditional systems, an hour with Bitcoin, or several minutes with Ethereum can be completed in 4 seconds with Ripple. So, you know, it's a great coin. So this is what their prediction is. Ripple has been channeling in the 17 cent to 20 cents range for the last several weeks. As I said, it was posted in September. Based on current conditions, Ripple could easily be worth $1 within the next 52 weeks or $5 over the next several years. Some pundits were calling $20 plus per Ripple eventually. So that's $5 over the next several years. That's a little uh, longer than I projected, but around the same time frame, I say like $5 maybe, you know, one and a half years, maybe 2 years at most. But around basically around the same projection. And if you invest now at 25 cents currently it is, but it has been fluctuating down to 20 cents. I just recently picked up some more within the past couple of days at 20 cents. But if you stock up now, $5, once it hits $5, that's, in the six digits at that point, depending on how many shares you get. And, it doesn't take much, $5,000 investment with 20 cents of shares, you'll be in the six digits easily at that point. And, if that's just 2 years, that's not bad, comparable to Bitcoin. But if you do the math, a long-term investment with more shares in Ripple will get you more from Bitcoin. I explained that in one of my earlier Ripple videos. Check that out if you haven't seen it. I did the math right in front of you guys. So if you don't know what I mean, definitely check out that video. But that's basically what I have on Ripple. This is what was from NASDAQ, so feel free to check other sources. I'm telling you, most blogs are purporting the great positive potential from Ripple. I don't think there's too much downside in getting it at this current point. So definitely do your research before you do anything. But happy trading, make good investments. This has been a great 50/50 official. We'll get back to you more. Definitely subscribe because there are great more early adopter videos. If you are an early adopter, this is the place for you, and you need to subscribe to stay on top. Thank you so much, and stay tuned.